So I'm out here with Boomer, and well, this is what I see. She's just out to get some apples and stuff. She's kind of a regular. It's a yearling. Come here, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Chippy Chippy. Oh. Well, this got interesting. A couple of them. Come here, Boomer. Come here. Come here. Come here, Boomer. Look, take this big one. There you go, Boomer. Okay, Boomer. They really like our pears and our apples. And it's right by the pear tree. There's 3 pear trees right in a row. And this time of year, you know, the fruit's falling. So, gives them a little bit of a sweet tooth. They're not too scared of me. They see me all the time beating the chipmunks. You know, can't walk up to them and pet them, but, you know, they get within 15, 20 feet of me and just wander around eating fruit. Come here, Boomer. You ready to go again, buddy? Come on, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Boomer's waiting for me. Come on, Boomer. Come here, Chip Chip. Come here, buddy. Come on, Chip Chip. Boomer. He's watching the deer, too. Oh, my goodness, we got more deer coming. Oh, about 5 of them out there now. Come here, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. And Boomer's just sitting there watching the deer. Come on, Chip Chip. Chippy Chippy. Oh. Oh, that's a new one. Come here, Chip Chip. Come here, buddy. Come on. Hi, come here. I didn't even see you. Come on, get up here. Now, who are you? I can't. I need you. Turn around so I can see you. Come on. There's a good one. I don't know this chipmunk. This must be one of the other babies that I thought was run off. I don't even know where he came from. He just appeared at my feet. Oh, hey, Boomer. Come here. Boomer. Come on, Boomer. It's up my back. Come on, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come on. Yeah, Boomer. Come here, Boomer. Come here. Come on. Try again. Come on. Get up here. Try again. Jumps up on my back because the other chipmunk was there. Here.
Want this big one? I don't know who that chipmunk was, Boomer. It must have been one of the other babies. I was feeding them before they disappeared. Yeah, I'll get you some more, Boomer. Okay.
Yeah, the deer have gone.